Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for April 6th, my brother's birthday, 2017 par 3 tournament day for the Masters. I'm also very nervous about the Miami Heat playing tonight. Big game for them to see if they can make the playoffs. Well, today was a big day trading. Gotta tell you right now, all day the advanced decline was acting funky. All day, everybody I know was massively bullish. I had no idea why. But the idea is this. What was going to win? Was the ESs going to follow the EMD? Or were the NASDAQ going to go so high it was going to rally the ESs? Well, we saw the answer at the end of the day. At the end of the day, ES is down 10, NASDAQ down 28, EMD down 15, IWM down $1.50. EMD is the mid cap, but it's a proxy for the Russell, the TF, that right now costs extra, and I'm like, forget about that. So the idea in there is, by the end of the day, EM down 15, dragging down everything else. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, obviously, you can see the chart on the right falling apart. The idea in here, though, is look at the ES on the left and go put it on a 5-minute chart. And then on the right, I want you to put the advanced decline. I seem like the only person on the internet that even watches the advanced decline. This is what I was watching. The first rally today, the little blip down right here, the advanced decline went from up 1750 to only up 250. The next rally took you to a new high. The advanced decline didn't go close to a new high. In fact, negative divergence on the left. Know what negative divergence is? A loss of momentum. Well, the advanced decline was already showing you that loss of momentum. The idea, though, is that when finally Janet Yellen came out at 2 and talked about possibly unwinding the balance sheet later in the day, this immediately went to 0. Look at the time of that. Now, this is when Janet Yellen talked right here at 2 o'clock on the far right. The advanced decline was up 800. This just sat here up about 12 points. When I saw the EMD selling off, I told everyone in Simpler Stocks that the market was going down. Look at the ESs over here, and I'll go back and recap everything. But look at the ESs right here, right when Janet Yellen talked at 2 o'clock. On the other hand, look at a 2-minute chart of the EMD on the right. It was already selling off. It was already down for the day. And that was the big tip-off that you were going to have a big sell-off. So by the end of the day, ES is down 10, NASDAQ down 28, like I said. Bonds up all of 12, very modest. You had in here the Dow Jones Industrials down all of 41. Transport's only down 4 points. United Airlines was upgraded, and some of the airlines held up better than the market. In here, gold down only 10 cents, was down about 12. We were buying gold stocks this morning, believe it or not. Crude oil down 19. Now, let me explain something that I don't, it's another forgotten art. I look at the rails and the economically sensitive. When the market was rallying today, and I want you to see the ESs on the left. See this at 2 o'clock? They were going up because of the economically sensitive stocks. Look what U.S. Steel is doing. Look what it topped out. That topped out at 10 in the morning. Remember, economically sensitive are the U.S. Steels and the GMs of the world. What else is economically sensitive? The small cap and the mid cap. They definitely are leveraged toward higher growth environment. So they moved hand in hand. So when you see a tell like this, that's a big old tell that something like the IWM on the left is going to fall apart, which it did. As you see, this sold off, and you have more than enough chance to short that this morning. And it worked. If you didn't want to short right there, look at that little bear flag right there. Beautiful. Worked perfect in there. And we teach how to trade those kind of things. So definitely keep that in mind. By the end of the day, high yield bonds selling off a bit. Advanced decline down about 1,000 by the end of the day. Here's another tell, UVXY. refused to go down all day today. And then it just exploded by the end of the day, up almost 10%. What else do we have in here? You have the Nikkei down 110. Chinese market was closed a couple of days, had a great day today, up 1.5%. German DAX down fractionally, down about 0.2%. So the idea in here is, where do you go from here? We're going to talk about it on the premium side. What do we do on the premium side? We have a chat room, and it depends. If you want to sign up, we have the $7 gold now that you can actually sign up for the gold. You don't have to sign up for the silver. When you log out in here, if you go to this link for the trial, you now go to the gold side. You could try the gold or the silver, but you could try the high octane one for $7. What that includes, I'll show you. Go back in here. And it includes the chat room, 2 of them. I'm on from 9 to 10 in the morning. And I'm on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday on the gold side. I'm on from 3 to 4. We were on today doing trades. We go over a lot of earnings ideas too, and a lot of those will work great. In fact, I'll show you an earnings trade we did yesterday. We were shorting a spread in WBA, and basically we made about 70%. Worked perfect in there, just to let you know. But the idea is, it includes the chat room. It also includes the 3rd Friday of every month, expiration month. The 3rd Friday, we have a 3-hour trade the close. A lot of people charge $500 for that. It's free with your subscription. You also get the premium video, much more in depth in here, and you get the email alerts every morning. I show at least 5 to 6. I show at least 5 to 6 index and futures charts because the indexes move the market. But the best part is, look what I said in here. Watch the divergences and watch the hook down. Boy, did that work. Then I do at least 5 to 6 stock trades and chart ideas. Thank goodness they were short ideas. Thank goodness. And it's time to watch the gold stocks. That's the last 2 days in here. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this. Our website actually includes a lot more. We have meetups, we have forums, and this is just a taste of some of the things you get. So I hope you could sign up for it. Like I said, it's $7 for 30 days for the gold side, the ultra premium side. So everybody have a great night, and I will talk to you later.